Chris Menard here. I have a Delta Platinum credit card. With that Delta Platinum credit card, I get a companion certificate. I want to show you how you use the companion certificate, and I'll actually let you see how it gets priced out here. So I've already signed into my Delta account as the first item. Go to your name in the top right and go to Profile. I have blurred out my SkyMiles number just so you know that. And I've also blurred out my date of birth and my known traveler's number and some other information down here, by the way. Over to the far left, you're going to come over to certificates, e-credits, and vouchers. And I already do have some e-credits on here, but act like I don't. What I'm interested in is using my companion certificate. Here are the terms and conditions. You want to check this first before you even book any flights. And then you click on redeem down here at the bottom. After the next screen appears, now is when you go and book your flight. And if you notice, I am using my companion certificate. There's the expiration date. They do expire. I'm going to go from Atlanta to Tampa. You pick wherever you want to go in the continental United States. Round trip, I've got the dates in here. Let me just make sure those are correct. You do want to pick 2 passengers. And Delta Main, I don't think you can even pick anything else. That is all it's good for. Depending on your credit card, by the way, I have the Platinum card. I believe with the Delta American Express Reserve card, I believe you can get first class. Don't hold me to that, but I will put that information in the description below. I'm going to select Find Flights because possibly not every flight can be used with the companion certificate. Notice all the other prices are blurred out, so I'm going to take this flight here. And my return flight, let's get back early. Let's take this one here. So 639 times 2, you can do the math there. Let's see what happens here. So the amount due instead of 639 is 669 because you're paying for one ticket and then you're just paying for the taxes on the other ticket. So it's a great feature that I love. Make sure your flights are right and then go and find your seats. So I picked 28F for myself. I am flying Chris Menard, and there's passenger 2. I'll add the passenger in a second. Go to the next flight. And there again on the next flight, save and exit. You can always come back and change the seats if you need to. There are the 2 flights. Down below are the seats, 28F, 28E, 37F, 37E. Passenger 2 hasn't been put in here yet, no problem. Again, I am blurring out my information here, including my known travelers' numbers being blurred out. Add the other passenger. Trip protection, optional here. I'm not going to pay for it. And then you want to put in your payment information. Again, I'm blurring this out. Final step is complete purchase. Trip to Tampa, Florida is booked right there. So 2 tickets to Tampa, both were in the $600 range, and then the total right there is $669. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.